strange. Things are getting real strange, Cooper. Gordon can get strange. Sometimes there is no sound on my text when the text goes through. So there will be no sound. It's trying, there it is. It's kind of getting through a little bit. There it is. It's trying to. Goes right into the shadow and into the other shadow. And there has to be a ding sound on the text at times. I've tried to do it for 2 years on my other phone. When I was at the bank, there was no ding sound when a text would come through. I've dealt with it many times before. It's very strange. So I just have to kind of look at my text every once in a while. I don't know. It's a strange thing. Very strange.